Get the best of both worlds, silence and vibrations. In this quick tip, I'll show you how to enable Vibrate on silent mode and what to do if it's not working so that you can stay notified without the noise. Let's get started. Start by launching the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, simply scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. It's that easy. As you can see here, we want to enable Vibrate in silent mode, so turn on the toggle for silent mode. Alternatively, you can use the action button to silence your iPhone. Afterward, tap on the haptics option under the ringtone and alerts section. Then, select the haptics option. Different options are available here. Select Always Play or Play in Silent Mode option. Additionally, you can customize the haptics behavior for ringtones and alerts. Just go to the ringtones section and tap on haptics. Select the haptics from the list. By default, it is selected as synchronized. You can set the haptics for each. For example, I want to create haptics for the ringtone. So, select Create New Vibration and tap it to create a vibration pattern. Once you're done, you can play or record another vibration. Tap the Save button at the top and write a vibration name to save. As you can see, the custom vibration has been added. To delete it, swipe left and tap the Delete button. That's it. Now, check if your phone rings silent for incoming calls or notifications. If the vibration is not working when your phone is in silent mode, check the accessibility settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then, tap on the Touch option under the Physical and Motor section. At last, scroll down and find the Vibration option. Then, turn on the toggle next to the vibration. When you toggle the switch off for vibration, all vibrations on your iPhone will be disabled, including those for earthquakes, tsunamis, and other emergency alerts. Now, your iPhone is set to vibrate in silent mode. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have feedback or queries, please type them in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest technical videos.